When I was 16, I ended up coding satellites for the Naval Research Lab.
Excellence knows no age, okay? It's not being programmed by a 16-year-old, it's being programmed by 16-year-old Brittany.
My name is Brittany Lauren.
My name's Gabor.
My name's Don Smith. A lot of people hate group work. One of the reasons that I've benefited from working with these two people is because they have taught me to stay calm, stay focused, think differently, innovate differently.
Having a couple of friends that I've been working with consistently has made it much more approachable.
We all had just different backgrounds that were able to feed really well and meld really well for our projects.
For one of our probability and statistics theory courses, we got a specific year of data collection from the World Happiness Study, and we tied in a bunch of hard economic measures from the World Bank.
The interesting conclusions eventually really came from the PCA, principal component analysis. So what they are is groups of variables that tend to correlate together. Those are really what have the most influence, and that it's less so about a single variable.
DU had the best curriculum. Overall, well-rounded.
The fact that Ritchie makes us work through the calculus and the Linnow and the foundational programming and the Bash and the Linux stuff. A lot of the other programs I was accepted to were not requiring that.
It is going to be hard, and you're not alone in those challenges.
Every other student I worked with and every faculty member, every teacher, etc., like everyone is there to see you succeed in the program.
This program is going to be the one thing that enables me to take my career to the place where I want it to be.